Hi guys, welcome to back to my channel. In this course, I show you how to connecting Visual LAN with coding C++. Before the open Visual Studio, you can to refresh that and open that. We need two function in a header file of my project name that's multiplayer course game mode. Copy that multiple game mode that's constructor the as an instance when the game created, and typing for a u function blueprint callable and this macro to make the function below it the callable blueprint. And I said before we need the two function, the first function to the host server, so typing for a void host LAN game and the parenthesis and close the parenthesis and semicolon, the copy that. And the second function is a void join the LAN game for joining other or friends to the same Ethernet or Wi-Fi IP. Okay, in the CPP file, we need two function that make that void host the LAN game, and a copy a multiplayer course game mode the before a hostile LAN game. In this function, we need to get a world, get a map location. So typing for get a world and the searching for server tab and get a map location. Typing for server travel and the copy or typing my location of a third person map. They open the parenthesis and my location of map is in the game third person maps and third person map. So a slash, that's very important before game, a slash game third person and typing for third person and maps and third person map. This is my location of a third person map for hosting a server. If to open that, we need to typing a question and type a lesson, and this option makes the server lesson for incoming LAN connection. And the second function, they copy that a multiplayer course game mode before a join last LAN game. So in this function, we need to a player controller, a product PC equal to a game instance, and after that to get a first local player controller that's the current player in the Unreal Engine. So typing to a player controller and product a PC equal to a game, get a game instance and get a first local player controller. That's my first player or default player in the Unreal Engine. And typing for get a first local player controller and typing for if PC checks the player controller is valid. If PC underline bigger than current travel, we need to IP config. I'm using the Wi-Fi, so I need to config of my IP of my Wi-Fi, and so to searching for IP, you can open a CMD and searching for IP config and your IPv4 address. Open a CMD and searching for IP config. Typing for IP config. And this is my IP. After that, my IP, we go to searching for travel absolute. It means address is taken as a full absolute path, and we have an EU. I fix that, the semicolon, and that's be done. Now it's time to open level blueprint. We need the key. I choose the H for hosting and get a game mode. Cast to a multiplayer course game mode. And multiplayer searching for multiplayer course game mode, and connect the game mode to a multiplayer course game mode. And if you searching for your function host LAN game, you can see this because you can't click live code, compile that the right bottom of the screen, and I click that, waiting for compiling to live coding Visual Studio. If you have an error in your compiling, you can restart the game and compile again. That's my compiling is done, and now I can to searching for a host LAN game and connect to a cast, and I want to print to a string.
Invincible.
Print hosting in my screen, and the copy all of this, and it do the same for joining. Choose a JBoard for joining, and delete that, and searching for joining a LAN game and connect that. That's be done. That's very easy. It makes a coding with C++ and Blueprint to connect to a same Wi-Fi or same Ethernet to play with your friend or the other laptop, and you can packaging of your project to send off your other laptop or your friend and connect to a same Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching us. Please like and subscribe. Bye.